people are very open, and most of them are fairly patient. Of course, you run into people that, oh, geez, tell them I don't speak much Portuguese. They get kind of roll their eyes, but I guess that's something you deal with everywhere. You know, I'm in their country, and I shouldn't expect them to speak my language, so I need to adjust to their society, which is the way it should be. A little park area, people just kind of hanging out. Little sewer smell right there. So we're actually headed back towards the 7 de Setembro, the main street, leaving. Still in the center, but we're getting towards the edge of it. So what do you think? Is it a place you would come to? Yeah, I'd recommend it. You know? If you're traveling and you want to go to different places, the places that not everybody's going, there's plenty of things to do here. A lot of cultural things, a lot of tours. In a few days we're going to take the train to Mohet, and I think tomorrow we're going to do they have these buses with open top. Yeah, there's a tourist bus that has an open top, and they go around all the points for Jardim Botanico. We haven't even been there yet, so that'll take you there and take you to different spots, and you can stay for half an hour or hour, and then hop on the next bus. And we're going to try to do that tomorrow. I don't know, the weather's supposed to be getting worse and worse as we go. It's supposed to be cold on Saturday. 17 degrees or so, which is kind of chilly for here. Supposed to be some rain too, so we'll have to see. You know, we've been trying to do all sorts of other things and kind of pushing off some of the touristy things. So hopefully we'll be able to get those done while we're here, and I'll do little videos on those too. But you know, I don't know if anybody's ever watched my channels. You know that I'm not about making fluff and everything about places. You know, with just expectations. You know, I'd like you to see what I'm seeing, and I don't edit out the ugliness of places. Because I think sometimes we create, or YouTube creates, this false sense of a place, and I think it can destroy your experience. You know, if you have this idea that Curitiba is this highfalutin European, clean, you know, super city, no, it's a city. And it has some ugliness, and you should know that coming here, because otherwise your experience is going to can be tainted. Because you see all the videos of all beautiful days, and you know, that was kind of our experience at Ponta do Paraná. Beach, sun, you know, you see all these videos of the sun, and we get there, and we were going to be there for a week, and after one day of sun and 4 days of rain and clouds and cold, we decided that it was time for us to go somewhere else. This area here is the Mercado Municipal Centro. I think I talked about this in one of the videos. It's they got some fresh fruit stands there, and there's actually people over this way selling fresh fruit, the green buildings, and but most of what's in here is just cell phone stuff and hats and clothes, and it's worth a little walk through. There's lots of little shops around the outside. If you want to get your hair done, there's probably a dozen places to get your hair done. But if you're looking for the nice experience, the municipal market has much better. It's basically all food options, and it's a nice market. Local vendors selling fresh produce and all sorts of nuts and natural products and things like that. So that's a better place to spend a few hours. This one's probably worth 15-20 minutes. I'm not saying skip it, but don't go out of your way to get here. So we're getting closer to our building. Our building is the one with the circles on it back there in the background. One street over. There's little markets here and there. With the little grocery store up there that's been really good. Oh, I need to get some water, so. It's not really a go. I think I'm going to end this video here. You don't need to see me walking down streets. You're going to walk by another gerbil tube. But there'll be a couple more videos from around here, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.